NASA has launched a new satellite called Lunar Trailblazer. It aims to detect water on the Moon's surface. This water is essential for future lunar missions. The satellite was launched from Florida on 26 February 2025. It was carried by SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. The Lunar Trailblazer is a secondary payload on this mission. The primary payload is a lunar lander led by intuitive machines. The Moon's surface is often perceived as dry and barren. However, prior measurements have indicated the presence of water. This includes locations that receive sunlight. The cold, permanently shadowed regions at the lunar poles may contain water ice. Lunar Trailblazer weighs about 440 pounds and measures approximately 11.5 feet wide when its solar panels are deployed. This mission is crucial for future Moon exploration. Water on the Moon could be used for drinking. It can also be converted into breathable oxygen and hydrogen fuel for rockets. The bottoms of many craters at the Moon's south pole are permanently shadowed. These areas may hold ice patches. Water may also be trapped in broken rock and dust on the lunar surface. Lunar Trailblazer will conduct multiple Moon flybys. It will enter a looping orbit over several months. Eventually, it will orbit at an altitude of around 60 miles. This will allow it to collect high-resolution images. These images will help determine the form and abundance of water. The mission aims to enhance understanding of the lunar water cycle. Planetary scientist Bethany Ehlmann is the principal investigator for the mission. She noted that tiny amounts of water have been detected on sunlit portions of the Moon. This discovery raises intriguing questions. The most interesting aspect is the potential for large amounts of ice in permanently shadowed regions. Lunar Trailblazer will investigate how much water exists at the surface. About the locations of water deposits is vital for future exploration. This knowledge will assist rovers and astronauts in their missions. Two instruments on Lunar Trailblazer will work together to gather data. The Lunar Thermal Mapper will measure the lunar surface temperature. The high-resolution volatiles and minerals Moon Mapper will detect water on the Moon's surface. The movement of water on the Moon is believed to be influenced by temperature. By measuring water presence and surface temperature, scientists can understand this relationship better. Lunar water may originate from several sources. One possibility is that solar wind interacts with lunar minerals to create water. Another source could be comets or meteorites delivering water over billions of years. The exact amount of water on the Moon remains uncertain. Estimates suggest it could be hundreds of millions of tons. This water is not only important for human exploration. It also holds scientific significance. The Moon has been near Earth since its formation. About lunar water could provide vital information about the origin of water on Earth. Lunar Trailblazer is a step forward in lunar exploration. It will provide valuable data for future missions. This mission may pave the way for human presence on the Moon. Water is a critical resource for sustaining life. The findings from Lunar Trailblazer will enhance our understanding of the Moon's environment. In this way, NASA's Lunar Trailblazer is on a mission to find water. The satellite will explore the Moon's surface and gather crucial data. This mission could have far-reaching implications for future lunar exploration and human settlement. About where water exists on the Moon is vital for upcoming missions. The data collected will aid in planning future lunar bases and scientific research.